Hey, what's up, slackers? On this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day without watching my face and with a low budget Facebook ad strategy. Pretty cool, huh? Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are amazingly well. And sorry about that intro. It's called pattern interrupt, meaning that you guys are watching Keenan videos, or you're watching Taylor Swift videos. Who can blame you, right? But I want you guys to pay attention. That's why I'm trying to interrupt your pattern. Bam! You're being interrupted, baby. So what I'm trying to do right here, so that you pay attention, is making you earn more money. All right? So finish this video, and then you can go out and watch whatever Taylor Swift videos. Super simple, nothing complicated, 3 pieces of content, okay? So this video, what you want to do is to have a 1 to 2 minute video related to the product here. So for example, if you find a product that could be a ClickBank product, or it could be your own product, or an affiliate product that you're selling for someone else, what you want to do is to create a video that you can get on Fiverr.com. Okay, let me put it here, Fiverr.com. So you go to Fiverr.com, you order a video about this product. Now the video needs to be enticing, needs to be, sexy, if you would. Not sexy like nudity, because that's not gonna run on Facebook, okay? So take it out of your head right now. But it needs to be enticing enough so that people will actually watch it. So a 1 to 2 minute video about this product right here. So again, if you're selling a survival product, you wanna create a survival type of video. And you've probably seen these kind of videos like, we all hate Trump, or we all hate Hillary. It doesn't really matter, okay? The point is that that video will allow you to run video ads or video view ads, okay? So it will allow you to run video view ads so that you can gather an audience. So you will create a custom audience from this video. You will create a custom audience based on 50% or 25% or even 75% of this video being watched. That's why you need to keep it short, okay? Because you want people watching that video, 50% of that video at least. So what you do is, once you have this custom audience, you need to send them to an opt-in page. Why? Because you want to capture this traffic. You're going to be paying for this traffic. So you don't want to send them directly to the vendor. You don't want to send them directly to the product page. You want to capture this traffic first. So the opt-in should be something like how to X without Y. So for example, if you're selling a survival product here, and the video is about survival, the opt-in should be how to survive even when zombies attack, something like that, okay? So how to X without Y. So how to X without Y. Super simple, an opt-in page, and I can leave you guys a page below so that you can see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about an opt-in page. Now, once they opt in, the thank you page for this is going to be the product. And you can create all of this with ClickFunnels. So this could be an actual redirect to a ClickBank product, or it can be a redirect to a Shopify store that you own or that you do not own, but you decide to go ahead and create a commission plan for you, or it can be, a JV Zoo product, whatever you're trying to do. But here's the thing. The video and the opt-in and the product, they need to be related. You cannot be pushing a survival product here and make a video about Hillary and make an opt-in about dogs, okay? You cannot do that. So if you're selling a survival product, like how to X without Y needs to be related to survival. Now, why would you want to have an opt-in here? Because again, you want to send emails to these folks. It can be emails to this product, or it could be emails to another product. So if you find another product, you send emails to that product, okay? So the video views ads and then the opt-in ads, you're running a video view conversion campaign here, and there are a conversion campaign here, okay? So a video view ads campaign here, and you're running a conversion campaign here. These are super cheap. These if the video is good, you shouldn't be paying more than a penny per, or a cent per 3-second view, okay? So have that in mind. Use this strategy. It's super simple. You can get everything on Fiverr.com. You can get your funnel made on ClickFunnels. And if you want to know exactly what kind of numbers you need to follow in order to make real good money with this approach, you can download my free sales funnel calculator, which is going to be on the description below. It's completely free. You don't need to pay for a penny. You need to pay for anything. It's completely free. but you need to give me 10% of everything that you make from this funnel, which I'm joking, of course. But anyways, guys, I hope this helped you out and you can start making $100 a day easily with a low budget Facebook ads campaign. See you on the next video. Bye.